How to make collaborative playlist on Spotify. If you want to build a playlist with your friends on Spotify, creating a collaborative playlist is the way to go. To start, open the Spotify app on your mobile device and go to your library. Tap the plus icon to create a new playlist, give it a name, and tap Create. Once your playlist is set up, open it and tap the person icon with the plus sign or the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, select Invite Collaborators. Spotify will give you a link that you can share through messaging apps, social media, or by copying and pasting. Anyone with access to the link can add songs, reorder tracks, and even remove items from the playlist, so it truly becomes a shared space for everyone's music tastes. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy music together no matter where you are. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.